Hello everyone. Next we'll start off by drawing a 2 and then afterwards add a face to this as well. Add the beak to it and then add the rest of the body as such. Now add the eyes to it. As you can see, we are drawing this bird. Now draw the top of it and then afterwards add the wings on the body as well. Afterwards, add this large puffy cloud-like shape at the back and then make it continue with the rest of the body of the bird. This will be the tail of this bird. Now add these dewdrop-like shapes to it and then add the lines underneath it as well. Add this one shape to it and then you will have yourself this peacock. Add the detailings within it as such. Continue to do so. Now once you are done with it, this is what it should look like. Underneath it, you may draw the legs of it as such. As you can see, the legs are very thin, and then draw the feet portion of it as well. Now add the lines to it and within it, and then afterwards, begin to color it in different colors. Make it as colorful as possible. Color the rest of the body in blue. Add the lines to it and the details to it. Outline it in a shade of green. Continue on and fill this in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this longitudinal shape, and then afterwards on either side of it, draw the extensions of it as such. Continue on and then on either side of it, add these multiple ovular shapes to it as such. Now once you're done with this on either side of it, add these longitudinal shapes underneath it as well. Continue on and then draw large shapes on either side. As you can see, we have done so, and then underneath it, add as many extensions as possible. Now finally, once you're done with this, add more and more detailing to it as such. Continue on and then do this and add them in layers as well. These should look like wings. Now, once you're done with it, this is what it should look like. As you can see, even the detailings are different from each of the sections. Now, once you're done with the top portions of it, begin to add dots within each section that you created. Color the middle portions of it in a shade of blue as such. Keep varying in the shades of blue that you're using, as you can see that we are doing, and slowly move to purple. Now outline it with blue as well. Next, start off by drawing the circular shape using a stencil. Outside it, add these two ovular shapes at the top. Now at the back, continue on and draw the rest of the body. This will be the body of a little bunny. Add the tail to it as well, add a little snout and a mouth. Now add the eyes and then the whiskers as well. Add the pink of the ears once you're done with this, and then add the pink of the cheeks as well. Take a stencil, draw a circular shape, and then add another circle underneath it. Add a larger circle around it as well. Add two circles on either end and then underneath it as well. Now begin to connect each of these parts. While you're connecting each of these parts, add the eyes at the top, and then afterwards, add the snout in the middle circle that you've created. Add a smiling face to it as well. Add the ears at the top, and then once you're done with this, you have yourself a bear. Next, start off by tracing out a circular shape. Add ears on top of this, add eyes to it as well. Add a little snout and a mouth to it. Now underneath this, add the arms and then the legs to it as well. Now add the pink of the ears and fill this in. After you color this in, this is what it should look like. Now add the pink of the cheeks. Start off by drawing the stick shape on either side facing each other. Make a U shape for the face and then afterwards draw the rest of the body underneath it. Add the eyes to it, a little snout and a mouth as well. Now add the collar to it with a little bell. Add the legs underneath it. Once you added the legs, add the detailing to it, and then this is what you should be left with. Thank you for watching.